Welcome to AI Rapid Fire series, the show where enterprise AI meets real talk, no buzzwords required. So, I am Aditya from Pronix, and today we are cutting through the noise with someone who actually makes AI work in the real world. He is none other than Gaurav Sharda. He is CTO from 𝐂𝐤𝐿 Mobility. Gaurav, ready for
Hey,
questions in under 10 minutes?
yeah, absolutely. Thank you for having me. Hello, everyone. Gaurav Sharda here. I'm the Chief Technology Officer at 𝐓𝐫𝐿 Mobility. 𝐓𝐵acon Mobility is a high-needs transportation provider. We provide transportation services for people with special needs. We do a lot of work with school districts, with transit agencies, any customer where rider experience matters. Like that's the service we are in. And look forward to having a good conversation around this.
Thank you, Gaurav. Let's fire away and let's jump into the first one. So one AI use case every enterprise should implement today.
From an employee experience standpoint is something every enterprise can look at. Everybody has an employee. Like how can we provide the best experience possible for our people and retain the best talent? Like whether it's the frontline employees, whether it's your support staff, like that can be the focus for organizations. And you can start with an AI powered employee support solution, which can be a chatbot, can provide quick and accurate responses and enable more self-service for frontline employees. And
Impressive. When AI solves real problems, the results speak slow.
exactly. And it's all about people, right? Like if you take care of your people, they will take care of the customers and the company, and the financials, everything gets taken care of with that.
All right, moving on to the next one. So what's the biggest misconception about AI in the workplace?
That's an interesting one. I think I still remember when AI was getting more democratized with the launch of ChatGPT and everybody started playing with it. One thing which was loud and clear was that AI will replace people. And as we are trying to evaluate the use cases, roll out with it, more and more we are finding as if AI is done right and implemented the right way, it will actually amplify people. It changes where people spend the time. Now you're not spending the time in mundane manual activities like pushing paper or transactional work. That same time can be spent to improve the customer experience, improve the rider experience, and just unlock new human potential. So I don't think it replaces people. It amplifies people and unlocks new human potential.
Exactly. It's augmentation, not Avengers. Let's head to the next question. So one metric that proves AI is working.
A lot of metrics out there, but a simple one which comes to mind is an adoption rate. Adoption rate after a certain duration, right? Like you can pick 3 months. The ultimate sign is if people are using it, then it's working from a self-service perspective. And the same thing applies for tools which are running in an automated fashion behind the scenes. If it's working after a certain duration, then it works. So adoption rate over a certain duration, let's say 90 days.
Couldn't agree more. Unused AI is just expensive decoration.
That's it. You don't want science projects out there, right? Like you want stuff which is working. End of the day, it's yet another tool, right? It has to solve problems and it has to be utilized.
Moving along. So how do you know your AI is being used?
Feeding off of like the previous one, right? It's all about the adoption. So the way we think about things is track the engagement. Is the tool getting utilized? Are people getting responses when they're interacting with a co-pilot or a chat buddy and what have you? And what are the drop-off points? Or it's the old age saying of, right? Like garbage in, garbage out. Making sure that the knowledge base is clean. So if people are not getting accurate responses, they're giving thumbs down on the responses. Like look at the drop-off points or things which are creating more friction and like listen to how the experiences are shaping up for our employees using the solution, and the same thing on the customer side. So real-time feedback loops on the usage and then shaping the roadmap to eliminate the friction points and make it more user-friendly and more usable from an employee perspective.
Good call. Next one coming at you. Most overlooked risk in AI implementation.
It's hands down. It's actually going to be a surprise. The overlooked risk is not from a technology perspective. It's actually from a change management standpoint. So skipping change management or not doubling down on the change management when we are thinking about AI implementation, I think it's the most overlooked risk. And nobody is going to put trust in the solution which they haven't helped build. So start your change management journey sooner. And it has to start like from what problems you're trying to find a solve for. Include people in that journey, listen to them, try to solve the right problems, and then go about finding the solutions and bring people in on the journey. So simply said, it's change management.
Exactly. Without trust, no one shows up the party.
That's exactly it. Yeah. And it's what happens is, right, you get like more grace on the other side. When somebody trusts you, trusts the solution, they always know that you have a good intent in your hearts and minds and you're trying to do the right thing for the people on the other side. Then you'll also get more grace as the solutions, like, I'm not going to be perfect. There is no such thing as a perfect technology solution. So you get more grace on the other side, more partnership from them to find solutions together. So that's a very good byproduct of focusing on change management from the get-go.
All right, let's keep it going. You mentioned change management, right? So change management in one word.
It boils down to trust. All about trust.
Yeah. Short word, big impact, hard to earn, and easy to lose.
Easy to lose. So true.
Let's move on to the next. Your framework for evaluating AI tools or vendors.
So trying to keep it simple without overcomplicating it. And there are a few things we look at. So one is impact. So think about like what business problems it's solving. Like, is it delivering real value or not? And alignment with business values and company strategic priorities are critical. So assessing the impact. Scalability. Can the solution grow and adapt with us as an organization? Consider the ability to handle increased users. If your employee base is growing, your customer base is growing, your business is expanding into multiple segments, ability to handle various workflows to address the changing business needs, and increase data processing over time. So scalability is the second thing which comes to mind. Usability, which is, will people actually use it? Consider how easy the solutions are to use and how seamlessly it integrates with the day-to-day workflows. Like, you have to eliminate the friction. So usability or adoption is like, the third thing. And last thing is around like model transparency or governance and security. Can we trust like what the solution is doing? And can you explain its decision in a very simple language? Because people want to understand, like, how the answers are being provided. Are those accurate, as much as accurate as possible, and within the right context? So consider a few things like, is it easy to interpret? Is it auditable? The solution has to be secure. And like, what is the governance framework around that? So to sum it up, like, it's going to be about impact or business problems we are solving, scalability, usability, and model transparency or governance.
Makes sense. No hype, just proof and clarity.
Yeah. And keep it simple.
Keep it simple. So next question. What do frontline workers want most from AI?
So it's the speed to getting resolutions. Like, from a self-service standpoint, you want like fast responses. You want accurate and clear responses. That's the second thing. And like not needing to ask like 2 or 3 times, right? Like when I'm asking it the first time, like I'm expecting the right and accurate responses and quick. So I think like that is what the frontline workers expect most.
Right. If AI needs a third try, it's out of the rotation, right?
Yeah.
Let's go to number 9. One mistake companies make in AI rollout strategy.
It ties into the change management aspect, I think. So like, we rush too fast into launching solutions without listening, like truly listening to what problems we want to solve for, pulling people in on the journey. Like, listening and feedback is the foundation of it all and aligns with the change management. So like you just cannot enforce enough on change management and truly listening to the people and having continuous feedback loops.
Exactly. No feedback, no fans, no future.
It's so true. So true. Love it.
Final one. Here we go. Explainability or accuracy? Which one wins?
Oh, it's an interesting one. I think it's explainability because it all starts with trust. If I can understand something, I have trust in it, and then you're expecting accuracy from that. But it starts with like my ability to understand something. So I'm going to go with explainability.
That's it. AI is not just about logic, it's about confidence in logic.
Oh, I like that, Aditya. Yeah. And wishing everybody the best in the AI journeys. It's here. The solutions are there. It's been democratized. It's helping individually. It's helping the functions. It's helping organizations. So like, yeah, please utilize that and wishing everybody the best in the journeys.
Thank you, Gaurav, for grounding AI in reality and reminding us it's not magic, it's method.
I like it, Aditya. Yeah. Thank you for having me. Appreciate it.
So, yeah. Viewers, if you found this helpful, and follow us and tune into the next AI Rapid Fire series, and follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, or wherever your brain goes for a workout. Until next time, stay curious, stay human, and stay ahead. Thank you.
Take care.